In today's video, I'll show you how to connect to a VPN on your Lenovo laptop. First, click on the Start button and open Settings. Inside Settings, click on Network and Internet from the left-hand menu. Now, scroll down and select VPN. Click on Add VPN. Under Connection Name, enter any name you want for the VPN connection. You can use a name like MyVPN. Next, you need a VPN server address. Open any web browser on your laptop and type vpngate.net. You will see many VPN servers here. Copy the server name or address of any VPN server you want to use. Now, go back to the VPN setup window and paste the copied server address into the server name or address field. For VPN type, select Secure Socket Tunneling Protocol SSTP if the VPN server supports it. Next, enter the username and password provided by the VPN service and password. You can see here that if you connect to these VPNs, you should enter the VPN as your username and password. Now enter VPN as the username, but make sure to check the instructions provided by the VPN server you choose. After entering the required details, click Save. Once the VPN profile is created, click Connect. Wait a few seconds while Windows establishes the connection. If everything is entered correctly, the VPN status will change to Connected. That's it. Your VPN is now successfully connected, and your internet traffic will be routed through the VPN server. This is how you can connect to a VPN on a Lenovo laptop. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more Lenovo laptop tutorials.